of cold water. Everybody calls me young, handsome, and wonderful. Am I? Look at my hair, the nose, and my big curving eyes. I remember somebody says that I look like my papa. But that's when she was young. Now, I'm much lovelier than he is. I'm a mortal Thanos. Thanos. Oh, wait. Oh, wait. What time is it? I must get ready for the party. Uy. Yes, stop. Wait, I'm coming. Sabi mamaya na. Kyle, are you still there? That's my papa. Child, are you still there? Please try to get me a cold water. Papa, I'm Larry. Please, child, try to get me a cold water.
Try to get it.
At the party. At the party, I dance and dance the whole night. You see, I can leave the party at once.
Chef.
I have to dance with everybody who proposed to me. At last, I'm very tired. Very, very tired. So I went home to tell my papa what happened. Papa, I'm home. Very quiet. You see my papa? No. Papa, I'm home. Nobody answered. Where is he? Where is he? I look for the son, but he's not there. Where is he? In the kitchen. Papa, you're sleeping? I saw my papa lying down on the floor, dead. Pa, are you sleeping? Pa, please wake up! Oh God, I remember she tried to get it in her own. Oh God, just for the glass of cold water. Papa!